Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.
In this lesson, we will look at the calculations a taxpayer must perform in order to figure his or her total work-related expenses. When calculating total work-related expenses, a taxpayer must first make sure that he or she is only counting expenses paid during the tax year. If the taxpayer has prepaid for services, the payments may only be claimed as work-related expenses in the year that the care is received. Similarly, if the taxpayer has recently paid for services that were received in a prior tax year, those costs may not be claimed as a work-related expense for the current tax year. In such a case, the taxpayer may be able to claim a credit for these expenses, but it must be calculated separately. If a taxpayer is reimbursed by a state social services agency for some of his or her child and dependent care expenses, the reimbursed amount cannot be counted as work-related expenses. Similarly, if child and dependent care expenses qualify as both work-related expenses and medical expenses, the taxpayer must choose how to claim the expense. Such expenses can be claimed either way, but no expense can be used to claim both a child and dependent care credit and a medical expense deduction. Let's take a look at review question number 14. True or false? Amounts excluded from your income under your employer's dependent care benefits plan can be used to claim a medical expense deduction. The answer is false. Amounts excluded from income under an employer's dependent care benefits plan cannot be used to claim a medical expense deduction.
Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.